Hey, have you ever opened Gmail and just stared at the screen not knowing how to start your job application email? Don't stress. In this video, I'll show you how ChatGPT can write a professional and honestly pretty cool job application email for you in just minutes. Stick around because I'll walk you step by step, and by the end, you'll have a real example you can copy, tweak, and send with confidence. Here's the problem. Many people write emails that are too casual, like, "Hey, I want a job, here's my resume." Others write emails that sound too stiff, like they copied from Google. Both can hurt your chances. ChatGPT can help you write an email that is simple, polite, and professional. Step 1. Open ChatGPT and give it a clear message. You can type, "Write a professional job application email for a marketing assistant role. Keep it polite, confident, and under 200 words." ChatGPT will give you a full email draft in seconds. That's a good start, but let's make it even better.
Now, ask ChatGPT to change the tone. You can type, make it sound enthusiastic, but still professional, or make it sound more confident. ChatGPT will rewrite it for you. This way, you get an email that feels right for you.
See? This email is short, polite, and professional. Exactly what hiring managers want.